Jesus Christ, the same yesterday and today and forever. Hebrews 13:8, King James Version.
Hey guys, I got crust in my lip. Oh, make sure y'all watch this video. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, y'all. I've been everywhere with my content, but I'm gonna get back in my routine. I just wanted to really make an intro for this video. How rude! I didn't even make an intro for the video. My hair look. This is the result. I'm finna take this hair out that I have in this video that I'm finna show y'all, and I'm finna do something new, and I'm finna make that video 10 times more, baby.
I'm really trying to perfect my craft when it comes to doing my hair now, because it is so expensive to go to other feet, like for people to do your hair these days. They want your whole paycheck. I can't afford it. You need to learn how to do your hair, and I'm going to show you how to do it on a budget.
Everything is going to be listed down in the description box below. Anytime you want to move forward to one specific part in the video, make sure you check the description box below so you can watch whatever part you need to go back to, rewind, pause.
Okay guys, so another disclaimer, I really did not show y'all the best quality of how I installed this hair, y'all. Number one, I had some mishaps with the lighting. See, I already started to put some of the bundles all the way to the halfway of my head. I do not use the 30-second glue. I use regular hair glue. I use the cap. I do put the protective shield. I have done it to where I didn't put the protective shield. I've liked it both ways. I put black tracks at the top so that my real hair blend in with the bundles. I didn't get the best content when it comes to installing, but the next one I'm going to do a lot better. Not rush, and I did get some content with styling. So y'all gonna see that coming up here next. So I am just putting in the perimeter. Like I said, I use black tracks for that again, because the other ones was red. Y'all see that one. Just sit on the floor, yeah, I want some more. Y'all, that's in my head. Okay, blow dry your hair. Make sure all the tracks is dry, and then blow dry your hair. Make sure your hair dry. Make sure your hair clean and dry. Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty much done, y'all. I was just taking the rest of the cap off, and then I'm just gonna flat iron my hair really, and do my baby hairs and call it a day, y'all. I just do stuff like this just to make sure I'm not looking a mess. I don't feel a mess. I feel good. You know, when you look good, you feel good. I may have not done how I wanted to do my hair the best, but at least I did something, you know. So yeah, I just want to thank y'all for watching this video. I'm gonna do my baby hairs in the next clip. If y'all want to watch it, you can. If you want to get some tricks, or learn something. But I love y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.